Are you a military veteran? You've been thinking about stepping into real estate, but you're worried about needing a mountain of cash to get started? Hey, I got some great news for you. Your VA loan is the ultimate cheat code. It's the key to getting into real estate with zero down payment, no private mortgage insurance, and a competitive interest rate. So this is your chance to build wealth, secure your financial future, and maybe even set yourself up to leave that 9-to-5 grind behind. Hi, I'm Bud Evans. I'm a 35-year Air Force veteran and a real estate investor with a portfolio that allowed me to walk away from the military and never have to work again. Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about VA loans and how to leverage them for rental property investing. I'm talking about a step-by-step guide using this incredible benefit to buy your first home, house hack your way to positive cash flow, and grow your real estate portfolio over time. Ready to crush it? Let's dive in. So let's start with the basics. Why are VA loans such a big deal? Simple. They eliminate some of the biggest hurdles most people face when they're trying to buy their house. No down payment, none. Nothing. You're not shelling out tens of thousands of dollars just to get your foot in the door. Let's talk about private mortgage insurance, or PMI. Most people using a conventional loan have to pay this extra cost if they want to put down less than 20%. With the VA loan, you don't have to put anything down. That'll save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars every year. Let's talk about lower interest rates. Compared to other loans, and you got a recipe for saving money while building equity faster. You also don't have to worry about any early payoff penalties, and the VA loan can even be reused if you meet the eligibility requirements. Yeah, you heard me right. You're not just getting a one-and-done deal. This is the tool you can leverage multiple times. But wait, that's not all. If you're smart about how to use your VA loan, it can do more than just help you buy your house. It can jumpstart your journey into real estate investing. The key here is to understand how to maximize this incredible opportunity. So first, let's make sure you're eligible. To qualify for a VA loan, you need to be an active duty service member, a veteran, or an eligible surviving spouse. The VA sets some pretty specific service requirements, so check your Certificate of Eligibility, or COE, to confirm that you meet that criteria. You can request your COE online through VA eBenefits portal or work with a lender who can pull it for you. Once you've got your COE, it's time to assess your finances. Even though the VA loan doesn't require a down payment, you're still going to need to show that you're financially stable. This means checking your credit score, reducing your debt-to-income ratio, and having some reserves for closing costs or unexpected expenses. Next, you're going to want to find a VA-approved lender. Not all lenders do VA loans, so do your homework. Look for one with experience in VA lending who can walk you through the process and explain all your options. A good lender is going to help you determine how much house you can afford and pre-qualify you, making the buying process a lot easier. Here's where the fun begins. Now, one of the smartest ways to use your VA loan is to house hack your first property. I've done a few videos on this, but I'm going to explain it. Well, it's house hacking. It's when you buy a multifamily unit, live in one unit, and then rent out the others. This setup allows you to offset your mortgage with rental income. Basically, your tenants pay for your mortgage. So, for example, this doesn't work in California, but let's say you buy a fourplex using your VA loan. You live in one unit, and the other 3 units generate $1,200 a month in rent. If your total mortgage payment is $3,000, those rental payments cover most, if not all, of your housing costs. You're living almost free while building equity in the property. Now look, you might be thinking, but Bud, I thought VA loans were just for single-family homes. That is absolutely not true. VA loans can be used to purchase properties with up to 4 units as long as you live in one of them. That's a game changer, especially when you're serious about building wealth through real estate. Just keep in mind, it comes with a lot of responsibility. So you're going to need to manage tenants, handle maintenance requests, and stay on top of local landlord-tenant laws. But trust me, the financial benefits for this outweigh the hassle. Before you jump into a purchase, you need to run the numbers. A VA loan is a powerful tool, but it doesn't automatically guarantee a profitable investment. You're going to start by calculating your potential cash flow. I'd highly recommend you grab Flipper Force. There's a link in the description, 30 days free. This means you're going to figure out how much rent you can realistically charge by subtracting all your expenses. So I'm going to give you a quick and simple formula. You're going to take your monthly rental income and you're going to subtract mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and property management. And that's going to equal cash flow. Your goal here is to have a positive cash flow, meaning the rental income covers all your expenses and leaves you with money in your pocket. If the numbers don't work, don't force the deal. There are plenty of properties out there, and patience is key. So remember also to account for vacancy rates and unexpected repairs. No property is rented 100% of the time, and things like an HVAC issue comes up, or a plumbing problem, or a clogged toilet can eat into your profits if you're not prepared. So set aside somewhere around 10 to 15% of your rental income for contingencies. If you're house hacking, pay special attention to the rental market in your area. Research similar properties, compare apples to apples here, and see what they're renting for and ensure your expected income is realistic. Tools like FlipperForce or Zillow can help you analyze potential deals and track your numbers effectively and even look for comps. Once you've successfully house hacked your first property, the next step here is scaling up. That's increasing the number of properties. Here's the beauty. You can use it more than once. As long as you pay off your existing loan or have enough entitlement remaining, you can leverage it to buy more properties. This opens up a lot of incredible opportunities for building a real estate portfolio. You can move out of your first property after a year, rent out your unit, and use your VA loan to purchase another home. Over time, you're creating a chain of cash flowing properties that grow your wealth while others are paying down your mortgages. Another option here is refinancing after a few years. If your property is appreciated in value, you can use a cash out refinance to pull equity and reinvest in new properties. This strategy allows you to scale without dipping into your savings and keeps your cash flow strong. Scaling up does require a solid plan. You're going to need to stay disciplined with your finances, manage multiple properties effectively, and continue to educate yourself about market trends. But if you stick to the fundamentals, the positive for growth is massive. Let's talk about what not to do. One of the biggest mistakes that we veterans make is underestimating the cost of owning rental properties. The VA loan covers your down payment, but there are still closing costs, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance expenses that you have to take into consideration. Ignoring these can quickly turn a promising investment into a financial nightmare. Another mistake that we make is failing to screen tenants properly. If you're house hacking, your tenants are also your neighbors. Guys, choose the right people. Definitely recommend rent risk. Run background checks, verify income, and don't rush into signing a lease just to fill your vacancy. Last, don't fall into the trap of over-leveraging. Just because you can use your VA loan multiple times doesn't mean you should buy properties you can't afford to maintain. Always run the numbers and ensure each property adds to your cash flow, not your stress level. Today, real estate isn't just about making money, it's about building wealth that lasts a lifetime. By using your VA loan strategically, you're not only securing housing for yourself, but you're also creating an asset that can generate income for years to come. Over time, your properties are going to appreciate, your tenants are going to pay down your mortgage, and your cash flow is going to grow. This is going to set you up for financial independence, and it gives you options. Whether it's retiring early, funding your kids' education, or just enjoying your life on your own terms, God, go buy a sailboat. The skills you develop in the military, discipline, strategy, resilience, these are exactly what you need to succeed in real estate. Combine those with the power of the VA loan, and you got a winning formula on your hands for financial freedom. Hey, you've earned this benefit. Use it. The VA loan is your gateway to real estate success, and it's a tool that can change your life if you use it wisely. Let's start by house hacking. Build your cash flow, scale up strategically, avoid those rookie mistakes we talked about, and stay focused on the long-term benefits. Real estate is not just an investment, it's a way to secure your financial future and build your legacy. So take action today, talk to a VA-approved lender, run your numbers, and start your journey into real estate. A couple of things I would highly recommend. Number one, if you have any questions, reach out to me for a free strategy session. I would love to talk to you about your VA loan and your investing in real estate in the future. Second, reach out and buy David Perret's book, The No BS Guide to Military Life: How to Build Wealth, Get Promoted, and Achieve Greatness. The last thing is lean on people. Network, network, network. Your network is your net worth. I can't say that enough. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at budevans.com. I would be more than happy to help you out. I do not charge for that. So please, again, reach out to me. It's budevans.com. And until the next video, aim high. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please show us some love and smash that like button. Your support means everything to us and helps us reach more people like you who want to aim high in real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can stay up to date on all of our future content. If you're hungry for more real estate and finance related videos, we've got you covered. We can't wait to see your success stories in real estate investing. Till next time, aim high. We'll see you soon.